Welcome back to Brazen Brits. My name is Laurence.
And I'm Natalie.
And we are back at the 2026 CES show. This is our second video and we wanted to show you the second coolest thing. Actually, it could be joint first. But for RVers, this is the Evotrex PG5 and this is the contender for the Pebble that we covered last year. And I'm going to say, I think I'm siding with this, but let's go and have a look.
It really makes me wonder.
Right, check this out. This is a fully customizable little trailer, and as you know, we do van life, so one thing that we miss is like a shower and things like this. Now this is set up as like a towable studio, so this is more like an office essentially. So they have all of their drone equipment, so if you're going out and filming or a production company, that's what this is set up for. But you can customize these however you want. They come as standard with loads of batteries and a whole bunch of solar that you can pivot to where the sun is. So if you're in the desert, you can, as the sun goes over and round, you can pivot all of those. And then, like the guy said, everything is absolutely customizable. You can rip all of this out and you can just have one toilet in here if you would like, with a black tank and a grey tank and fresh water. So these are cool, and they go from really small to much bigger. I think we should buy one. The only problem is
price.
The only problem is they start at 35,000, and that includes obviously the chassis, the solar, some, you know, the basic suspension and things. But he did say they can upgrade any component at all. So if you need this for off-roading, they can jack this up and have some really good suspension on that as well. Very cool. All right, we're on a new camera with a special mic because it's very busy here in CES. So we are in the Evotrex PG5. Now this, if you remember last year, we did a video on the Pebble, which is basically an all-electric travel trailer. It's very, very popular. Well, this has been one of the most popular things at CES. Bear in mind, CES is for everything from home automation to all of this stuff. Like travel trailers and RVs and things aren't the biggest thing here, and this has so much attention. Luckily, they gave us 5 minutes to do this video and they kicked everyone out, so thank you very much for allowing us this. So the cool thing about this is it's essentially a travel trailer, but it's like a next gen kind of thing. So it's all very good. It's very, very high quality. And I know I've said that before and I tap things and it sounds like crappy plastic, but this is really, really high quality. I'm not going to give you the price yet. It's not affordable, I'm not going to lie. But one thing it does have, it has a whole bunch of solar. This is really like the next gen stuff. It's very similar to the Pebble. It has auto parking, so you can steer it and if you want to park it somewhere. And it also has a gigantic generator. And a huge battery bank, so the generator will power the battery bank along with the solar, but it also has charging for it. If you're an RVer who likes electric vehicles, then this would be perfect. So you could have like the Cybertruck or something to tow this. I'm assuming it would tow it, and then you can actually charge the truck off the trailer. But let's give you a quick look around. So this is the bedroom, very basic, very simple. I will say this is only 28 feet long. And I'm going to give you the price in a moment, but let's just have a look. This is the first, we're seeing this for the first time as well. I just want to have a look at this storage. I like to look at the catches. Now the catches are a little bit plastic, I'm not going to lie. They're like boat latches. They're not bad, but no, but you always have the same problem with the RVs, right? You can have quality, but it's the weight is the issue in RVs. What is it? That's nothing. And so they have to use lightweight materials, so I don't know the quality until we've used them for a while. Right, hopefully Jerry's camera is wide angle, so I'm going to stand in the shower for you. Again, very nice. The one thing that we saw last year with the Pebble was that the, even though people, you know, thousands of people had gone in and out, but it was starting to break and you could see things were falling apart. I don't see any signs of that in this, which is impressive. I know that there's been people in and out, and this isn't the first day of the show, so. All right, so that's that. Oh, just for all the Matt fans. Wait, it's a bidet toilet. No, it's not. It's not. This drawer is broken. So there's a bit of wear and tear already. Anyway, Matt, this is for you. I'm stealing your thing. It's a prime pooping position. Maybe you could do with a bit more width. All right, so that's perfect. Shower looks great. I mean, this is all standard. I don't know the black tank. Oh, here we go. 60 water fresh tank, 30 grey and 30 black. I'm going to overlay all of the information on top because there's a lot of stuff on here. Anyway, Very nice looking sink. You can do a quick pan in there if you would like, Natalie. But otherwise the kitchen, this is cool. That's a convection cooktop. Then we have, is that a convection microwave? I'm not sure it is, it might be. Loads of storage. Oh gosh, yes, lots of storage. They've got like the boat locker things, which is kind of cool. And then the sink, that's, yep, same as typical any RV, looks very nice. Love the black, that's fantastic. Fancy lights. You have your entire control system up here. I have no idea how it works, but it looks fancy with a little iPad there. We have our fuse panel. Oh no, we have a controlling iPad up here that you can take out. That's cool. Let's just have a look at these cabinets. They're cool, great quality. This is like Airstream. All right, finally getting to the back. Oh, we have the fridge here as well. Just a standard Thetford fridge, that's nothing fancy. I have no idea what this is. All right, and then the big thing is, it isn't a toy hauler, but it essentially has the back of a toy hauler, so the whole back flips down and flips up. This is great, has a cover here. And then obviously when this is down, you have a nice window at the back here with, I'm assuming this will fold out as a bed as well, so you could actually have a 4-sleeper, but this is, yeah, cool little patio. We would use this. The only thing, here's the one thing, right? If you have dogs, the problem is you have a gap here. You'd have to fill that gap in. The rest of it's okay. If you have tiny dogs, they can probably get in underneath. There's things you can do like with that, but it's like just fill it in. So anyway, I'm very, very impressed. I'm actually way more impressed in this than the Pebble, if I'm honest. I think the Pebble were the first to do something like this, but this is fantastic. All right, the price, before we go and go on to the next thing, the price starts at $120,000. But I think the one you're going to want, that's going to be bare bones. The ones you're going to want is probably about $160,000, which is out of our price range for a Towable. Love it.
You must be so jealous right now.
How do I get in?
I don't know.
Right.